Hi boys and girls, today we're doing chapter 1, lesson 1, and it is multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. And basically what this chapter is about is looking for patterns to do your multiplication problems. So if we look at example 1, it says the whale shark is the world's largest fish. Its mouth is 5 feet long and each foot contains 600 teeth. How many teeth does a whale shark have? Well, the problem is find 5 times 600, and we're going to use basic math facts and patterns to help us figure this out. We know also that 600 is a multiple of 10, okay? So, I bet you all know that 5 times 6 is 30. And if 5 times 6 ones equals 30 ones, then we can probably figure out that 5 times 60 is 5 times 6 tens, which equals 30 tens, which equals 300. And if we know that 5 times 6 is 30, 5 times 60 is 300, then we can probably figure out that 5 times 600 is 5 times 6 hundreds, and that equals 30 hundreds, and that equals 3,000. Look at that pattern, okay? Example 2. Same thing, different numbers. Find 3 times 7,000. We're going to start with our basic fact. Well, we know that 3 times 7 is 21. That's 3 times 7 ones equals 21 ones. Now we can do 3 times 70. Well, if that's 21, then this is going to be 210. 3 times 700, 2,100. And 3 times 7,000 then is 21,000. So 3 times 7,000 is 21,000. Notice that the product is 3 times 7 with 3 zeros at the end. And look how many zeros are here. 3 zeros. Okay. Okay, now we're going to do example 3. It's the same thing. When you know basic facts and number patterns, you can multiply mentally. Okay? The weight of a fire truck is 8 times 4,000 pounds. What is the weight in pounds? So we're going to let the W represent weight. Write an equation. W equals 8 times 4,000. You need to find 8 times 4,000. Well, we know that 8 times 4 is 32. And 8 times 4 ones equals 32 ones, which equals 32. If we know that 8 times 4 is 32, then 8 times 40 is going to be 320. 8 times 4 tens, 32 tens, tens equals 320. 8 times 400, 3,200, and 8 times 4,000, 32,000, just like we did on the other pages. Okay? I'm not going to finish that one because I think you probably have it. Let's look down here at the guided practice. Ooh, sorry about that. At the guided practice. 6 times 8 is 48, so then we probably know that 6 times 80 is 480. 6 times 800 is 4,800. Do you notice? 1 0, 1 0. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 3 zeros, 3 zeros. We really need to be looking at those patterns. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 90, 630. 7 times 900, 6,300. 7 times 9,000, 63,000. I'm going to go ahead and have you do those on your own.